Hello viewers, Aslam here from Let's Flex. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Shopify store with GoHighLevel and make all automations and send reminders, emails, SMS, and also I can show you how you can send sale offers as well. So let's dive in video and I will show you step by step. One thing more, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, like my video. So let's dive in video and I will show you step by step how you can integrate your Shopify store with GoHighLevel. So first of all, we need to log in our Shopify store, and right now I'm in my Shopify store, and just go back and show you from the start. Here you can log in and go to the apps and go to sales and app channels, and here you can see develop an app. So I just click on develop app, create an app, just give the name of app. For example, I will say GHL app. Okay, and it will bring your emails. So if you want to change, you can change here. It's not a big deal. So right now I'm going to use this email. So let me create an app. So our app is created. So what we need to do here, we need to configure our API. So first of all, I will click on the configure admin API scope. In scope, I will check some reads orders, read products, and reads inventories. We'll say that orders, not this cursor, read order. We can see that order. We need to go to orders section here and we'll just check read orders, and we say read customer, and we will go to the customer section and we will say customer, and we will go to the inventory, and here we can read inventory as well. And these all section in a API that you want to access in a GoHighLevel, you can select here. So I want product as well. We'll say product. In product area, you can say that read product. So these selections once done, it's just click to the save and go to API configurations and app setting, and super here just need to install the app. So I will install the app here. App is installed, just revoke the token, and I just copy this token here, and I will go back to in a GoHighLevel, and in a GoHighLevel it's super easy. Just go to setting here, and also in setting go to integrations. Here is integrations, and go to Shopify area. Here you can see it's the Shopify connect here, and just you remember we copy a coupon code or a token from our Shopify. We just copy this and we need to put our store name here. So where we can bring our store name, and you see, and I will show you our store name, and that's our store name. You see ucwatches.com, it's our store name. I just copy this, go back here. Yeah, that's our store name. I just copy this and go back again in a GoHighLevel. First of all, we need to go to setting, and after that we will go to integrations, and here you can see our Shopify. Just click on it and just paste or copy API that we have copied from our Shopify store, and here we need to put our store name. Right now in my case, my store name is UC watches, and I just click on the next button. So that's it, and you can check your store name from your domains. I have connect my Shopify to my GoHighLevel. I just put the next button here, and you need to allow your take permission. It will cookies error in my end, but it will be fixed in a while when our cookies is restore. So let me save this, and yeah, it saved successfully, and you see my Shopify store is connected. So my next step is automations. So I will go to the automation, and here we can create an automation. Let me create automations from scratch, and there is a two things I will show you. I will show you some other automations as well, and then I will create from the scratch. Let me select from recipe, and here you can search. Yeah, you see recipe, Shopify order, GPT history. It's a automated chatbot. It once you receive order, it will be automatically send follow-ups and automatically send your slips and automatically send your payment invoices as well. So I'm going to select this one, and for example, we will say that let me add a filter here. Cart value is this. No, I'm not adding this. You can put your filter here. Your code value is equal to, we will say, $100. Then this trigger will be fired, and we will say that ChatGPT. What's ChatGPT do here? We will just giving prompts to ChatGPT. Act as a sale executive and thank you to customer. If someone place order, it will be generate auto respond to the our customer and sent via email. Okay, we have generate respond and we will send in emails. Then we will wait and emails, and then we will wait again, delay in a 5 minutes. And what we can do here again, and we will say we will again send our promotions, our customer latest emails and our other workflows, and we can say, let me show you here. Here is a response to the customer and last email. Check intent here and reply positive. What we can do here, we just put condition here. If the email reply is positive, then we will run this condition. If email reply is negative, then we will run these conditions. So we are checking here our conditions according to customer reply, and then we will send a positive. If the reply is positive, then what we can do here, we will say based on the customer reply, prepare mail, and if already interested in the product, then share the product link. So here what the ChatGPT do, ChatGPT upsell your offers and upsell your product list with link as well. And same, then send into email, then we'll wait, then ChatGPT, we will say another response here. If customer reply, and then we will put condition here. If reply is positive, negative, then we will continue this. And same, once this done, then I have go to conditions. If the reply is negative, then I will put here again, and here we can send again emails, and again we send follow-up. Same procedure will be sent again. If the email is negative, reply is negative, what we can say that here is a reply from customer. It should be a negative reply. Try to send emails and try to convince them to buy another product, share and send them a discount, and which will give them a 10% off for new product. It's basically promotions emails. It will be right, and then send it to email, wait, and if they not reply, then send to go back again from here, and from here then we will put conditions again, and we will send this email as again. So that's basically order booking system and follow-ups, and also it's basically upsell to another offers with this workflow. Let me close this workflow, and I will create some basic workflow as well again. So not this time, I'm not going to use recipe. I'm going to make from the scratch, and we will say contact info save. What we can do here, we will just select our trigger. We will say order place. In Shopify, we will say order place. We will put our condition. Card value is equal to 100, or what we can say, they add a tag, add a contact tag, and we will select the tag. There is no tag. Order place and 100 value. We can add this tag and save the action. And what we can send, we will say wait. It should be 5 minutes wait. Then we will send congratulations. Then we send email. And here we can, what we can do, or we can select from username, from user email. We just put a test template, and I just put a test, name here, and here what we can do, we can put condition if else, and here what we can say, customer reply. But right now I don't think so we need conditions here. We will say congratulations emails, and if you have any offer and any sale, so we will send sale and congratulations emails. So how you that's how you can automate your complete Shopify store. And if you need thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe and share this video. And if you need any GoHighLevel services, it's super easy. Go to onaleadsflex.com. I just provide the link in description, and you can go to my website and book free consultation, and also you can check my portfolio here as well. And another thing is this, you can do all of GoHighLevel services from here. And if you can go with buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link in a description, jump with your call, and I will complete configure your Shopify store with GoHighLevel, and I will automate all of your services with GoHighLevel. Thank you so much for watching this video.